Play music.
Kingston, look here. Hold this. Hold this. Look, hold this.
We had it while he's changing hands.
Let's make it.
Here, can you hold this one? Hold that one. Stand up. Hold this one.
Making some soup in there.
Whoa.
Okay. Shall we pretend? Let's sit down and we'll pretend. Okay,
First I'm getting his back.
What sounds good? Soup? Do we put potatoes in the soup? Okay. Here, let's cut some potatoes up. Open it up. Close it. Close it so the potatoes don't get out. Okay. What else do we put in the soup? Chicken? Okay. Don't open it yet. Don't open it yet. Keep it closed. It's cooking. Okay.
Kingston, I just came over here so I wouldn't have your back.
What else we put in soup?
Kingston.
What do you think? What tastes good in soup? Peas?
Yeah.
You like peas?
Yeah.
You sure? Oh, okay. How about onions? Okay, I like onions in my soup.